Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve this middle row on a Rubik's Cube. So hopefully your cube looks like this at the moment, where you've got one end solved and then you've got all the all those green pieces match the green, all the orange match the orange, all the blue match the blue, and all the red matches the red piece there in the middle. And what we need to do is to fill in these four pieces along this middle section. So to finish off the middle, so you can see there that blue and the red piece needs to go in there, blue and red. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So what we need to do first is with the blue and the red, we match up the blue and the blue together, and there's the red there, and we need to put that into that piece there. So what we do first of all is to grab the top of that Rubik's Cube and spin it clockwise to move the red and the blue piece to the opposite side from where the red is. And then we just do that standard move for the Rubik's Cube, which is right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. And you should be left with that little piece there with the white on it in that top corner, and that little white, red and blue piece belongs down there. So what we do is to grab the whole cube and move it round through 90 degrees, so your little white piece is there in that corner. And then we do the left side up, and now we do top anti-clockwise, which is slightly different to what we do with that other move, and left side down, and then top clockwise. And you can see there that now it's back with all the white pieces down below, and now we've got the blue and the red piece in the right position. Okay, so the next piece to put in position is this red and green piece, which needs to go there. So we'll have the red, green and green. We put that red piece up there so it is matching with the red. We've got the green on the right side, so we move the top clockwise, so we've got that red and green piece on the other side, which is the left side. And we do that move again, which is right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and then top anti-clockwise. And that's that little white piece there from down there, which is in that corner. We move the whole cube around 90 degrees, and then we do that move again, which is the left side up, the top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, left side down, and then the top clockwise. And you can see now that the red and green piece is in position, and then all the whites are back where they belong, down below. Okay, so the next one to put in position is this green and orange piece. So I'll push that round there so the green and orange piece matches up, and then the orange is on that side, and obviously that green and orange piece has got to go in here between the green middle and the orange middle. So once again I'll move that around to the left hand side, and then the right side up, top side clockwise, right side down, top side anti-clockwise. And there's that white piece there again. Spin the whole cube around to the in through 90 degrees, so that white piece is there on the left hand side, left side up, top is anti-clockwise this time, or counterclockwise, and left side down, and then the top clockwise to finish it off. And you can see there that the green and the orange piece is now in the correct position, and all the whites are correct below. And all we need to do then is to put the orange and blue piece into position. Orange and blue, that's got to go over here. This time the orange is on the left hand side, and the blue and the blue match there. So this is where it becomes a little bit different. For putting that piece in incorrectly, is that because the orange is on the left hand side, we need to move that whole piece around anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. So the blue and the orange is over on the right hand side, and then we do the reverse move first to this piece, because we need to do it this move on the orange side. So we do left side up, top is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, left side down, and then the top is clockwise. And you see there we're left with that little white piece again there, which belongs down below, but this time we need to move the whole cube around 90 degrees, but around to sort of the right hand side. So that white piece there is on the right hand side, and then all we need to do is to do the standard move over here on the right hand side to put that piece back down there and to get that piece in the right spot as well. So we do right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and the top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, and there we go. The orange and the blue piece is in the correct position, and all the whites are correct down below as well. So there we go, all the whites are correct. 6 blues, 6 reds, 6 greens, and 6 oranges. So the whole middle section has now been solved. Okay, so just to summarize what I've shown you today, there's 2 main moves that you need to remember to be able to finish off the middle row. And the first one, which is the first one I showed you, is that that one there, the blue and the red, when that has to move to the right hand side, you line up the 2 blues, but it has to move to the right hand side, then you take the top of the Rubik's Cube and move that clockwise, so the blue and the red is on the opposite side to the red, and then you go right up, top clockwise, right down, top anti-clockwise, and you see the little white piece there, so you turn that around through 90 degrees so it's on the left hand side, and then you do left up, top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, left down, and then top clockwise, and there we go. The blue and the red is now in place. Okay, so the second main move is where you've got that red and the green one, or the green and the red, and you want to put that over here on the left hand side because it's going between the green and the red, and obviously you've got to always match up those 2 colours there. So in this case, then you move the top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, so the green and red is on the opposite side to the red, and then you start on this left hand side and you go left up, top anti-clockwise, left down, top clockwise, and there's the white piece again, and so you spin that around through 90 degrees, and then you work here on the right hand side, so it's the right up, top clockwise, right down, and the top anti-clockwise, and there we go, the green and the red is in position. Okay, so I'm a believer that you should practice doing the middle row first before you move on to to solving the top row, and really know exactly how to do the middle row before you move on. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.